So for anyone that's impatient, this is what happens in this blob. I get lots done on the deck. I strengthen it heaps. I cut out everything. I glass everything. Well, I glass a lot. I glass the main sections, except all my cameras ran out of batteries, so I went off the security cameras that I've got mounted. I'm probably going to put more security cameras around the place so they're going all the time, because you never get any thieves anyway. And then I'm going to do a dramatic ending at the end there. You can see all the dust in the air. And the metho is not for me drinking. That's so I can clean up the electronics for this, except I've completely pulled this one apart and I'm going to put another controller in it for a 3-phase brushless motor, and I have no idea what wires go where. Really need this baby to work. I'm sick of fixing it every single day. So I got some new scales because I'm mixing bulk amounts of polyester, and I'm going to mix it around 2%. If I'm doing like a thicker batch of fiberglass or lots of fiberglass on top of bog, I'll mix it slightly less. It's about 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's a little bit cool. But yeah, I've got a spare scale just in case this one buggers up. They're only a couple bucks from Kmart. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous as hell because I want to get the order right. I've taken ages to get to this stage, and I've lost a lot of sleep trying to think about how I'm gonna do everything. I've got all my resin out. It's all polyester unwaxed, and yeah, I'm just worried I won't get it done before I have to pick my son up from school. I'm kind of going with a sink or swim attitude. This will either work really well and I would have made all these repairs really easy and the deck will join into the hull really easy, or I've stuffed up the curve. The edges will be too close together or too far apart, or when I'm putting all this polyester on, it'll heat up too much and then it'll bubble and delaminate in areas and then cause a lot of trouble there. Because I'm putting on all this extra fiberglass just on one side, I'm worried it'll shrink and curl in like this as well. There's a lot of ifs, so if this works, it'll be great. If it doesn't, you guys will see I'll be struggling to get this on. I'll have to work out another way, but anyway, I'm going in. Before I use the rollers, I just do this to get all the fluff off. It's a ritual. And I just cut these long ones up into short ones for these ones with a bandsaw.